middernacht when sitting down, I thought come to my mind the days when ferms were rocked wi' horse, the days we call on sign. The day was long and the work was hard, you seldom heard lament, though folk were fair and were off, they seemed to live content. I mind the days when bloomin' lads get striding to their work, their bodies hobbit wi' flannel and kirkcuddy stripped sark, and fussled hint the harris with their backs as stracht as board, their legs and kist and quilling drawers and tailor tachty cord. I mind the pride and harness, they took it fair and tunes, their horse bedecked with dumbbells, false neck straps and bradoons, clear hems and peaked brechams, and their tails tied up with twine. They looked well and kert and blue, and the days it's new lang syne. I mind the days of cotton wheels, nae cutters and the rest, when a halibird high cutter wi' a twisted beam was best, and meal wi' porridge and wi' bruise, the pluming ate it a'. Gin the miller was a hint each time, the wheels had bug and a'. The tractors come, the horse they get, it had to come of course, but I wouldna say the land was onywhere without a horse. Machinery for the farm work has ta'en awa the toil, and now we live in other days, the days of reeking oil. And now we live in other days, the days of reeking oil.
I've been a horseman keen and skilled for 40 years and mair. I've handled mony a caper and steig and mony a canny pair. But all the more I think I like the Henmust twa the best. They had that something extra that was lacking in the rest. Their licks they never needed, just a canny come awa. Their woe knew and they'd stop just recht of what they never saw. And at ploughing matches a' decked out, their mains wi' ribbon threed, they looked as sleek as ony thoroughbred. But on the farms nowadays the cry is a' for speed, wi' tractors burling round the field, the horse they dinna need. A Monday morning I mind sae weel, they selt them at the mart. I dinna ken it was them or me that had the sairest heart. The corn kist stands useless now, and called the empty staw. The harness hanging green wi' mould upon the stable wa'. Nae gentle when he greets me, nor nuzzling nose to mooch. A little butty cake or crust I carried in my pooch. For they say the change is for the gaed, o this I'm no so sure. I ken life's off a dreich now without my dandy pair.